are excited, but we are not going anywhere if we crash. I love these kids, but I worry about them. The world they are living in is looking worse and worse every day. I saw on the news that all the bees are disappearing. Okay, kids, we are finally here. Go have some fun. Yay! Let's have a race. Yeah, sounds great. I am the fastest kid alive. None of you will ever be able to beat me. Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Oh, where are we? Oh, what do we have here? Looks like some tasty children have wandering tomatoes. I can't believe how fortunate I am. There's been so little honey around recently, and I am been so hungry. I'll catch them, and maybe I'll able to bring some back to the cubs. Oh no! It's the terrible bear. What's she doing here? Oh my! She is going to eat those poor children. I have to help them. I need to wait and see if there are any adults around before I attack. Children will be easy, but adults might be able to defend them. The factory is putting out more and more pollution every year. Someone needs to put a stop to that. My friends, you're in great danger. Follow me if you want to live this way. Right. Time for lunch. Wait, is it lunchtime? Right. Get away from my new friends, you terrible beast. Owie. If I catch those kids, my cows will be happy. Oh! Thank you so much, little bee. We'd be dead without you. Yes, thank you. How did you know we will be attacked? I know that very well. They always come after my family's honey. But we don't always mind because we make so much. But recently, a lot of my family have been dropping dead from those horrible yellow frogs that has come to the woods. I've seen the yellow frog. My parents made me put on a mask whenever it is in the air. Me too. Wait. You're saying that the yellow frog is killing your family? We'll find a way to stop this, we promise. Are you just talking to a bee? Teacher, we have to stop the yellow frog. I was just reading about that. It's coming from the factory close by. Let's go!
Look at all these beauties. People making machines and people doing work so that we can be comfortable and have fun. But all I see is money. Money in the ground this factory is built on. Money in the water we use to make our product. Money in the air.
Stop! You're killing the bees! What? I care about bees? How much money did those bees make? I can make more money than those bees make honey. If you want to stop me, you have to fight me. You got it, Dad! What's that sound? I must see what's happening. Those are my friends!
And just like that, our students defeated the factory boss and shut down his company. You might be wondering how the bee and bear are doing. Our bee and her family lives happily in the forest where every once in a while they offer up some honey for our bear and her cubs. Our students' victory today was just a glimpse of how important it is to keep our planet healthy. But, as with most happy endings, all good things must come to an end.